Electrical safety. Safe electrical working practices. Appropriate use of personal protective equipment, PPE. Report of electrical safety related incidents and near misses. Insulating materials, such as mats and gloves, be periodically tested or inspected. All electrical tools or equipment undergo a visual inspection before use. Electrical fire safety. The root cause of any electrical fire is the insulation of the circuit or wire. If the insulation is weak or damaged, it may lead to spark, electrical shock, or fire in the system, causing major accidents and casualty. The best way to avoid electrical fire is to maintain the insulation of electrical wires and equipment. The insulation of the electric cable is generally made up of rubber or plastic. The amount of smoke generated by the plastic in case of fire is dependent on factors such as nature of plastic, type of additive used, flame of fire, and ventilation arrangements. In general, most plastics produce a very dense smoke when heated. Some plastic burns very clearly when subjected to heat and flame, producing very less smoke. If insulation used is of urethane foam, a very dense smoke is produced and visibility in the room is lost. Some plastics contain polyvinyl chloride, PVC, which produces pungent and irritating odor. Rubber, when used for insulation, produces a dense, black, oily smoke and has some toxic qualities. The most common gases produced during combustion of rubber are hydrogen sulfide and sulfur dioxide. Both these gases are dangerous for health and can be fatal in certain cases. Ways to reduce these hazards. The following steps should be taken as preventive measures. Cables having EPR, ethylene propylene rubber, insulation with necessary sheathing of polychloroprene or chlorosulfonated polyethylene, PCP as CSP, may be used to protect the insulation against fire. GI. Armor may be used to protect insulation from fire but needs to be earthed. Properties and should be installed in such a manner that it should not interfere with the original flame retarding properties. Cables and wirings for emergency equipment, lightings, communication and signal should be kept away from spaces such as galley, laundries, machinery space of category A and other high-risk areas. Special precautions are to be taken for cable installation in hazardous area as it might lead to explosion in case of electrical fault. Terminations and joints are to be made in such a manner that they should retain their original fire-resisting properties. Avoid cable for damage and chafing during installation. Fireproof glands to be used in case of cables passing through the bulkhead to prevent fire from one compartment to other. By using cables having high oxygen index number, the number allotted to material depending on minimum percentage of oxygen required to sustain combustion. If the material used is having oxygen index number 27, it means that minimum percentage of oxygen required to burn the material is 27%, which is well above the normal atmospheric oxygen percentage of 21%. Thus, the insulation material will not catch fire. Important precautions for installation of electric cables. The cables and wirings external to the equipment must have flame retardant. What is electrical safety? Electrical safety is a general practice of workers who are exposed to handling and maintaining electrically powered equipment. It is a set of guidelines they follow to mitigate electrical hazards and prevent its dangerous effects in case of an incident. Unable to adhere to electrical safety can lead to accidents, near misses, or even fatalities. What is the importance of electrical safety? On the job site, working around electricity can be very safe when workers properly identify and control hazards. But inadequate training, lack of experience, and failure to recognize potential hazards could result in electric shock or death. Most of these incidents and fatalities were caused by direct worker contact with overhead power lines and contact with machines, tools, and hand-carried metallic objects. So how do we protect ourselves against these dangers? Who is at risk? All crews on board ship are mostly exposed to electrical hazards. What are electrical safety precautions? Electrical safety precautions are specific control measures implemented to remove electrical hazards and mitigate the risks of electrical accidents and injuries. Safety precautions for working with electricity depend on the worker's job instructions and their working environment. However, the most basic electrical safety precautions include clearly understanding how electricity works, being able to identify and eliminate electrical hazards such as poor cable management and lack of proper housekeeping, and wearing the appropriate pay.